Hey guys, are you looking for a place where you can raise some chickens? Or wait, how about a place where an HOA isn't a thing? Or what about 3 acres, only 5 miles from downtown Durham? You're in luck because we have all of the above here at my newest listing. I cannot wait to show you around. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, if we haven't met yet, my name is Ryan Woods and I'm excited to show you my newest listing at 818 Colonial Heights Drive. One of the first things you're going to notice when you pull up are custom stone columns, a beautiful roundabout paved driveway, and some cedar shakes that really make the house glow. I'm excited to show you it, so let's go check it out. So as soon as you come inside, you're going to be greeted by this open living area with tons of natural light coming in. Such a perfect flow into the breakfast dining area as well as a completely remodeled kitchen. And also, you'll find hardwood floors throughout the entire home. And there's a little special something in the master suite I'm excited to show you. Let's go look at that. Yo, check out these floors. Check this room out. When you walk into this sunroom, family room, gathering room, you name it, you can't help but notice the beautiful wooden ceiling, the bamboo plank floor, like everything about this room just screams, buy me now. Location, location, location. You're only 5 miles from downtown Durham, just a couple minutes from Duke Hospital, Duke University, UNC Chapel Hill, NC State, you name it. With 3 acres of private land, you can't go wrong with this home and we hope to see you here.